Hello, in this video I will show you how to integrate PayPal Payout with AffiliatePress. Go to the AffiliatePress settings page. Now open the Payment tab. This is the AffiliatePress payment method page. Enable the PayPal Mass Payment option. Now select the payout type and payment method. AffiliatePress required client ID and secret key. Go to the PayPal Developer Dashboard page. Now open the Apps and Credentials page. Now edit the default application and copy your client ID. Go to the backend side and paste the client ID. Now go to API page again and copy the secret key. Go to the backend side and paste the secret key and click to Verify button. Verification successfully done. Now click to Save button. Now go to the front side affiliate panel. This is the Affiliate User Affiliate panel. Now click to Edit Profile button. This is the Edit Details page. Enter the PayPal email and click to Save button. Now go to the backend side Payouts page. This is the AffiliatePress payout page. Now, click to Generate Now button and select the date and payment method. After that, click to Preview button. See the details and click the Proceed to Payout button. Payment is completed. Now, click to Close button. See the first record is added. Now click to Edit button and see the payment method. See the payment status is paid and the payment method is PayPal. Go to the affiliate panel and open the payments page. See, the payment record is added. AffiliatePress also provides Debug Log Options. Now, go to the backend side settings page. Now, open the Debug Log page. Here you can view, download, and delete logs.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.